Have you ever wondered what the future of wood might look like? Scientists are developing materials like Superwood that are stronger, lighter, and more sustainable than traditional construction materials. While Superwood itself is still emerging, many products available today already showcase the incredible evolution of woodworking technology. Today, we're counting down 20 amazing woodworking products and materials that bring us one step closer to the future. Let's get started. At number 20, the portable laser wood engraver. This compact machine allows you to transform ordinary wood into personalized artwork, signs, gifts, and custom projects. What once required expensive industrial equipment can now fit right on your workbench. Number 19 is industrial wood burning protection coating. One of wood's biggest weaknesses has always been fire. These advanced coatings help improve fire resistance and extend the life of wood structures, making them safer and more durable. Coming in at number 18, bamboo lumber boards. Bamboo grows incredibly fast and offers impressive strength. Many experts consider engineered bamboo one of the most promising sustainable alternatives to traditional lumber. At number 17, eco-friendly composite deck boards. These boards combine recycled materials with modern engineering to create outdoor decking that resists moisture, insects, and weather damage. Number 16 is the heavy-duty woodworking workbench. Every serious woodworker needs a stable foundation. A quality workbench improves precision, safety, and overall project quality. At number 15, the Makita Cordless Router Kit. This powerful cordless tool allows users to shape edges, create decorative details, and produce professional quality woodworking results with exceptional portability. Number 14 is the Royal Craft Wood Cutting Board. This product demonstrates how premium engineered wood products can deliver both beauty and durability for everyday use. At number 13, thermally modified wood boards. Heat treatment changes the cellular structure of wood, making it more resistant to moisture, decay, and environmental damage. It's a fascinating example of wood technology evolving beyond traditional limitations. Number 12 is cross-laminated timber panels. These engineered wood panels are already being used in modern construction projects around the world. Some experts believe they could play a major role in replacing steel and concrete in certain building applications. At number 11, Titebond 3 Ultimate Wood Glue. Modern adhesives are incredibly powerful. This waterproof formula helps create joints that can be stronger than the wood itself. Number 10 is the Bessey Parallel Wood Clamp. Precision matters in woodworking. These clamps provide consistent pressure and alignment during assembly, helping produce cleaner and stronger finished products. At number 9, the Wood Moisture Meter. Wood movement and warping often occur because of moisture issues. This simple device helps woodworkers avoid costly mistakes before they happen. Number 8 is engineered hardwood flooring planks. These products combine natural beauty with advanced manufacturing techniques, creating flooring that is both attractive and highly durable. At number 7, Walnut Epoxy River Table Kits. River tables have become one of the most popular woodworking trends. By combining natural wood with epoxy resin, creators can build stunning furniture that looks truly unique. Number 6 is carbon fiber wood veneer sheets. This is where traditional woodworking meets advanced materials science. Carbon fiber reinforcement can add strength while maintaining a beautiful wood appearance. At number 5, Shou Sugi wood panels. This ancient Japanese technique involves carefully charring wood to improve durability, weather resistance, and visual appeal. It's a perfect blend of tradition and innovation. Number 4 is the DEWALT thickness planer. A planer allows woodworkers to achieve precise dimensions and smooth surfaces. It's one of the most valuable machines in any serious workshop. Number 3, Gorilla Ultimate Wood Glue. Known for exceptional strength and versatility, this adhesive is trusted by professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. At number 2, Bamboo Cutting Boards Heavy Duty. These boards showcase the strength, sustainability, and versatility of engineered bamboo products. They're durable, attractive, and environmentally friendly. And finally, our number 1 pick, the Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig 720 Pro. This tool revolutionizes woodworking by allowing users to create strong, professional-grade joints quickly and accurately. Whether you're building furniture, cabinets, or custom projects, it dramatically improves both speed and quality. As wood technology continues to evolve, we're seeing materials and tools that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. From engineered bamboo and carbon fiber composites to advanced adhesives and precision tools, the future of woodworking has never looked more exciting. Which of these products impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy discovering innovative tools, smart materials, and future technology, subscribe to Next Level Tools and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.